Hello everybody, Green Thumb Hydro here today, and we're gonna plant an avocado tree and a hydrangea. I got all the goodies here. Pure worm castings, which is worm poop, mushroom compost, good old happy frog for vegetative growth and for flowering growth, perlite, vermiculite. So, start with digging a hole. We'll be using these shovels, and my helper over here, Livia, will be doing most of the hard work. So what we've done here is removed the St. Augustine grass, and we're going to go ahead and get rid of some of the dirt as well, because it'll be replaced for obvious reasons with the potting soil of the avocado tree, the root mass, and this organic material. So, the reason why we want to get rid of some of this dirt and add this organic material is because Florida sand, which is this stuff that we grow in, contains detrimental nematodes, which basically create what look like warts on the root mass of a plant and destroy it. And those nematodes don't like organic material, so the organic material aids in the resistance of these detrimental nematodes. Also, the organic material is going to help a lot with the symbiotic relationship between the plant's root mass and its surroundings. With this organic material, we're basically going to create an immune system for the plant so that it can uptake plenty of nutrients, and it can also thrive and take in a lot of water as well and fight disease. Perlite is going to be used to help because this stuff is dense, so we're going to oxygenate it by adding this. We're coming into a dry season as well, so a little bit of vermiculite will help with keeping the area around the roots moist. And this is simply fertilizer to help the plant's growth. All right, we're going to go ahead and smash this pot. Yep, go ahead. Just sweet. That was cool. And we'll go ahead and weed it a little bit, and there's the nice roots there of the avocado tree, looking healthy. All right, so there's the roots again. We're gonna just go ahead and pick this thing up, and we're gonna set it right in the hole. Okay. Next, we're gonna show you what we add into the hole and how we mix it. Just a little side note here, this is cocoa fiber mixed with perlite. That's what we grew the avocado tree in. We didn't use any dirt. So we'll add a third of this bag of mushroom compost. Just to give it a nice little nutrient charge, and again, to deter these nematodes. Good, right? Yep, that's good. Next, we'll add a third of a bag of the earthworm castings. Look how rich this is compared to this Florida sand. Next, we'll go ahead and add some fruit and vegetable fertilizer. That's a good amount right there. This is organic, so it's very difficult to over-fertilize. It is slowly broken down, and it is eaten by the plant when it wants and when it needs. This first fertilizer is really to help with the initial growth of the plant. The yellow bag over there is going to help when the plant actually starts fruiting and flowering. So we're going to try to put that fertilizer way down at the bottom. So down here I've dug a little hole, and we're gonna do just a little pocket of it, just like that. So the plant will have a spot where it can grab these nutrients when it wants, and then we'll mix some as well throughout the area just to amend the soil evenly. Next, we're adding the vermiculite. And finally, the perlite. Now we're going to mix it up nice and well and evenly. We'll mix it with the Florida sand. We'll mix it up with the earthworm casting, the mushroom compost, and the fertilizers. And look guys, look what you end up with here. Nice, loose, aerated, growing medium. Alright, next we'll drop the avocado tree right there in our hole, and we'll fill it in.